1 or control panel. 1 display screen, showing the current time and timer time, coffee concentration, cup number, and the working and the timer status. 2 timer button. Use the buttons to enter, confirm or exit the timer mode, or check the timer time. 3 coffee mode button. Use the button to switch between coffee bean and ground coffee mode. The button illuminates white in the coffee bean mode and illuminates red in the ground coffee mode. 4 concentration button. Use the button to adjust the 3 levels of coffee concentration. 5 on or off button. Press this button to turn on the machine or start or pause the working. 6 hour button. Adjust the hour of the current time or the timer time. 7 minute button. Adjust the minute of the current time or the timer time. 8 cup number selection button. Choose 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10 cups corresponding to the amount of powder you add or the amount of the coffee beans you want to grind. 2 pre-cleaning. Open the water tank lid. Pour the water into the water tank to the max level. Press the funnel switch button to swing out the funnel support. Put the funnel, filter, and funnel lid in the support and close it. Note: make sure that the outlet of funnel assembly aligns with the groove of funnel support. Place the carafe on the warming plate. Note: make sure that the center of the carafe lid aligns with the outlet of funnel assembly. Plug in and power on the machine. Press the coffee mode button to enter the ground coffee mode. Then press the on or off button to directly start brewing water, rinsing the inside channel. After all the water is discharged, press the on or off button to exit the keep warming mode. Empty the carafe and repeat the steps for 2 to 3 times with clean water.